Hello, I am Erno Viitanen, and this is a video of the two tutorial lessons on Unity. First tutorial that I took was the Unit 1 tutorial that helped me to understand how to control the player in Unity. And there's a small template for this game. So basically what I did in this tutorial is learned how to move the player in Unity space. So we're transforming a component and changing the position of the game object. And let me show you a small demo. So here's the Unit 1 in Unity, and when I move my arrows, it's going to move the player. And also in this tutorial I learned about the mass of the objects. So basically what is the mass with each object, and also about the mesh collider and the rigid body. So how do I simulate physics with rigid body, and with the mesh collider, how this object can be collided with. So basically when I move around my car and I hit the boxes, they behave like in the real world. Also in this tutorial I learned how to offset the camera with the game object and how to actually use the camera, and then how to use the input manager to get the axis, the horizontal and vertical axis, to move the game object. The second tutorial that I took was Unit 2 basic gameplay, and this we did a top-down game with the objective to throw foods to the animals. And let me show you it in Unity first. And here you control the guy in the bottom, and from the top there's animals appearing, and the idea is that you shoot these food objects to the animals, and you basically you will learn how to use the how to detect the collisions, and with that you can destroy the objects. And also in this I learned to use the spawn manager to spawn these random animals, and also how to use the prefabs, so to create these prefab elements and how to spawn them in the spawn manager. And also in this I learned the how to use the invoke repeating method, so basically how to repeatedly invoke some method. Thank you.